And in today's video, I'm going to be doing kind of like a challenge. I'm looking up a picture of a really good makeup look and I'm going to try to recreate it, and you guys either see me fail or succeed, and it is up to you guys to like decide what you think of it compared to the picture. And yeah, I asked you guys on Instagram if I should do this first or a makeup tutorial on my Morphe palette, but this got 63%. So the makeup look I'm going to be trying to do, I'll try to insert the picture right here, and I will put whoever made it as well. So yeah, if you guys want to see my journey on this look, please keep watching. And by the way, you guys, I'm not looking at a tutorial or anything. I'm honestly just looking at the picture and I'm gonna try to do it. I already put on primer and I did my eyebrows, and right off the bat you could see in the picture that it's very like cut right here. So I'm gonna get some tape and apply that to my eyes. I'm sure you guys know how to do that. To start off, I'm gonna use the Jaclyn Hill Morphe palette, and I'm just gonna try doing that sunset kind of thing that's going on in her eyes. I'm gonna just get this orange right here mixed with that yellowish color next to it. And I'm gonna just go right in and put this all right here. Okay, and towards more at the top, she has more of a yellow color. So I'm just gonna try getting that pale yellow mixed again with that same yellow we were using right now. And I'm gonna just try to put that more towards the top. I mean, I personally don't think that yellow does anything, so I'm already failing there. Right before the crease where the purple is at, you could tell it's kind of red. So I'm gonna just go ahead and get the red right here in that same palette with this brush right here, right on my crease. And then we could blend it out later. I'm giving freaking directions like if I created this look, and I did not. Okay, you see? I don't like that. The red is way more pigmented than the freaking orange, and I don't have the other oranges. So I found this palette in my freaking thing. So there is this orangish color here. I'm gonna mix both of them, from that palette and from this palette. And I'm going to try to go over this and kind of blend with it. So I think I kind of got rid of that line just a bit. I'm going to probably blend this one out more. You guys, I have another palette. This is what it looks like. I don't know if it's the same brand or by e.l.f. But there is an orange in here. You guys see this? This looks like a real orange. Look at it. So I'm going to get this. And I'm gonna apply it to the all right here. I'm really just trying to make this orange vibrant. I don't know if that's working out though. Okay, so I think I'm pretty much done with all that blending. Hers is way more vibrant, but we're just gonna keep on going, and I'm gonna go into the purple. But first, I'm gonna conceal with the the LA Girls Pro Concealer, so that hopefully the purple turns out way more vibrant than whatever it looks like, because I've never used this palette. So I'm gonna just get a little brush. Okay, so instead of setting it with like white powder, I'm just gonna go in with the purple. I'm going in with this purple. I'm gonna put this on the outer corner of my eye and on the middle, and then like I'm gonna just try to avoid the center, but if it gets there, it's okay. So, and I'm gonna do it by patting, like patting motions like this. And as you see, this isn't even vibrant. Honestly, I'm gonna start buying all these vibrant colors. I'm gonna try to get all the colors in the rainbow. Actually, it's not turning out that bad. It's just not as vibrant as I wished it would be. But that's okay. So in the center, she has like a turquoise blue. So I found this. This is a number 88. It's eyeliner gel, I guess. And it looks like a pretty turquoise color. I've never used it before. I didn't even know I had it. So apparently that doesn't work. I'm guessing it's old because I never knew it was there. I'm just going with this eyeshadow that you see here. And let's see how this turns out because I really don't know. What am I gonna do? Homies, it's time for the glitter. So this is what I'm using, and I'm gonna use that same little brush that I've been using for this. Yeah, it just doesn't look like the picture. So it looks nothing like the pictures. So I'm gonna just try to go into this color and hopefully it fixes my problem and makes purple better. So I'm just gonna mix these two. And if it's not, then girl, where did you get your makeup at? I'm taking this blue and I'm just gonna put some on the brush. And I'm gonna try to put it on the outside of the glitter, just making it dark, and I'm gonna try to really blend that in. So I ended up just covering up the glitter, or it just came off. I don't know, but I'm gonna just go back in again with the glitter so that I could really blend this out. There's like these turquoise colors. I'm gonna get a shimmery one, and I'm gonna put that right on the center. Like so. I'm gonna go into my Morphe palette and I'm gonna get Mace just a little bit on this little brush right here. And I know these actually work, so just a little bit goes a long way, and I'm gonna put that right on the edge. So just like that for a little shading in, making it darker. Now I'm gonna go in with this brush and I'm gonna take Max. And I will just put this right here because that looks like an orangey color to me. So just like this. And then I'll go in later with a cleaner brush and blend. Okay, so I looked at the picture and definitely I have the wrong shade of purple. Just that whole cut crease is not like the picture. But I'm gonna keep on going, and I notice it's not really a cut crease. It's a cut crease, but it's blended out, so I need to do that. I'm literally gonna take all these purples and I'm going like this, and I'm gonna try to blend this crap up. So I was tired of this not working, so I was like, I'm gonna use lipstick. I found this purple. I'm just because I'm really like, I'm committed, I'm determined to make this work. So I'm gonna try to remove all this glitter. LA Girls matte lipstick. This one is in Stunner. And I feel like this is gonna be the one to help me win this challenge. And if it's not, I'm going to cry. Because it is lipstick, I think I have to work fast.
I don't need attention, I'm not from this dimension when I'm crystal switching. And no, I'm not stressing, who are you impressing? Price conscious, do you really want a lesson?
Now I'm getting a red lipstick with this brush. And I'm just gonna blend out the purple with this, and hopefully it works out. think this is working. Pretty hard to blend because this crap dries fast and you're working with lipstick here. So actually, I think this turned out to be a disaster. Now I'm going back into my Jaclyn Hill palette and I'm getting those two same reds, and I am gonna try to kind of smooth this out a bit again with the lipstick, and I'm also going back in with the orange and I'm just applying that again. You see, I think we're getting somewhere, honey, somewhere. And once again, I'm gonna put on glitter. Okay, I think I gave up. I'm gonna do the rest of my face and then fix it. So yeah, I'll be back. First, I'm gonna remove all of this powder that fell. Okay. Where is this? I think I just made this look better. Okay, now that I'm pretty much kind of finished with my face, we're gonna continue the eyeshadow. So in the picture, if you see closely, she has like a silver line right up there. So I'm using this by Urban Decay. I didn't know I had it. So I'm gonna do my bottom lash line. So she has like purple and then like orange. So with the purple, I'm gonna do the lipstick, but I'm gonna use this brush. I'm gonna go back in with the Morphe palette and I'm gonna get those same colors I've been using. And if that doesn't do anything, I'm gonna go into the other Morphe one. You gotta finish for me. And this human has highlight on her brow bone. I've never done that because it always turns out ugly. But we're gonna try and see what happens. The eyelashes I'm using are the Morphe ones in Malibu. So I think I am done. So that was it for today's video. I added a little flower because I thought it was cute. So yeah, go ahead and tell me if you guys think I totally did this, I recreated the look, or if I did a major fail. To be honest, I like the way it came out. I know it could be better and it wasn't exactly the same, but anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and for real, tell me in the comments or like it up or anything. Yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys